Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Alpaca Trading API Review My Usage Experience. Alpaca Trading API Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive guide and user review of Alpaca's trading API. It's aimed at developers and traders interested in building custom trading applications or integrating Alpaca's brokerage services into existing platforms. Key features include detailed explanations of API endpoints, code samples in various languages, and user experiences shared by other developers. Their website provides details on the different aspects of the Alpaca API, including documentation, examples, and community forums. The benefit is access to a wealth of information for seamless integration and a better understanding of Alpaca's offerings. The ease of use is heavily dependent on programming skills, however, the extensive documentation and community support are significant assets. Pricing is transparent, the core API access is free, with fees based on usage. Availability is readily accessible, simply visit Alpaca's developer portal. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Alpaca Trading API Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The website's organization is clear, allowing me to quickly navigate to the API documentation and find relevant code samples in Python, my preferred language. I initially struggled with setting up the authentication process, but after consulting the FAQs and community forums, I resolved the issue within an hour. The most helpful aspect was the wealth of readily available example code. I was able to integrate Alpaca's API into my existing trading bot with relative ease. The API performed well, consistently providing reliable data and executing trades without any significant latency issues. I had a quick question about handling market data streams and their support responded within 2 days via email. The response was clear and concise. I was really impressed by the detailed documentation and readily accessible community forums. The standout feature for me was definitely the comprehensive code examples. One minor drawback was the occasional lack of clarity in certain API endpoint descriptions. It took me a little while to get used to the nuanced differences in some of the request parameters. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Alpaca's API and the resources provided by the associated review materials. It's a powerful tool that's well supported, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced developers. That's my overview of Alpaca Trading API Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.